What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo and today I am going to show you how to set up your campaign for interstitial ads with AdCash. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am inside a dashboard of AdCash and we are going to create a new campaign. But first let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta for free. So the Deberoo Suite is the newest platform with all the tools that you need for your affiliate marketing campaign. And we are in a beta test right now, which you can join for free. So make sure to check out the link down in the description. Alright, so now let's dive in and create a new campaign. I'm in the dashboard and I'm under the tab campaigns and I click on create a campaign and we are going with the advanced campaign. I'll show you the express campaign in a different video. But for now, we are going with the advanced campaign. We're going to give our campaign a name, so let's call it Interstitial. And we are going to run it on desktop devices, including consoles, sure, whatever. And we want to select our location. So depending on the offer, you would select the location that you want to run in, the geo, so the country. So let's go with South Africa. All right, cool. So we have almost 200,000 potential daily impressions. And let's click on next. Then we go to targeting. So we only want to run interstitial ads. So I'm going to deselect pop under. I'm going to deselect display. I'm going to deselect native. I'm going to deselect push. There we go. And leave all these interstitial on. And then user interests. Right now we have all selected, but we only have a potential daily impressions of 15,500. So I'm not gonna fuck around with the interests because that would make my reach even smaller. So I'll leave it as is. Same goes for the device type, the content, and the connection. I don't want to filter on that right now because we don't have a huge reach and I want to optimally test the campaign. So I'm gonna leave them on. All right. Here it is, interstitial, and then we need a campaign URL. So you drop in your campaign URL here. And then we need a picture, right? We need a creative. So 500 by 500, 600 by 400, or 600 by 500, and the recommended is 600 by 500. So we are just going to use Canva to create an image of 600 by 500. And I'm not going to be too worried about what the creatives look like today. So let's get this in. That's fine. We are going to download it. Oh, I don't want to pay for this, just for a example. So let's pick something else. I've got something here. There we go. All right. There we go. Okay, cool. Download that. And then we go back into our campaign inside of AdCash and the download is completed. So I'll just drop that in here. There we go. The creative has already been saved. So I can click on next. And then we have the budget for the campaign. So I'm going to run this 24/7, but you could select specific days or specific times to run your campaign. I want to run with a unlimited campaign budget because I am going to focus on a daily budget for this one. Campaign scheduling, here you can say, okay, I want to start this campaign on Monday the 26th and end it on the 18th, for example. But for now, I'm just going to start running it as soon as I'm done with the campaign, so I'll leave this open. Then campaign status after validation. Do you want to turn it active or paused? I'll leave that active for now. And then you can select the bid type that you want. So cost per mile, per 1,000 impressions, cost per click, or cost per acquisition target. And then the frequency capping. So you could say unlimited. That means that a user can see your ad unlimited times per day. But I want to limit it to 2 times per day. So then we have 2 impressions every 24 hours per user. And then how to define the user? Are we going to apply this to an IP address, or are we going to apply this to a device? So when it's on IP address, the user will see your ads twice every 24 hours maximum over the whole IP address. And when you set it on device, it will get 2 impressions every 24 hours per device. Meaning that if you have 2 devices under the same IP address, you will maximum see the ad 4 times, right? But I'm going to leave it on IP address. We're going to run it in South Africa. The average bid is 50 cents. So let's stop that. 52 cents. Awesome. I'm going to save the payout, and then you'll see it right here. There we go. And then the daily budget. I want to run with a daily budget of, let's say, $3.50 for this one. And I want to spread that budget throughout the day to make sure it's not spending all at once. I'm going to save that capping, and it shows up here. And then I can press next. And then we've got the overview. So here you can check if everything is set up correctly. And if it's set up correctly, simply click on create a campaign, and now you're live. That's all it takes to create a campaign. So that's going to be it for this one. In the next video, I will show you how to make a campaign with the Express campaign in AdCash. But for now, this is going to be it. So have a good one, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.